What are the most common lung cancer symptoms that people tend to ignore?
Lung cancer can present with a cough, with coughing up of blood, shortness of breath, pain in the chest, loss of weight without deliberately dieting. But unfortunately, these symptoms can also cross over with normal diseases. People who have smoked for a long time tend to have bad lungs, tend to have sputum. The rule of thumb is if the symptoms are getting worse and do not go away, then it's something that should be investigated.
What would be your advice to persistent cough?
Early detection saves lives and helps us treat you better. Go straight away and see your doctor or respiratory physician to get it checked out. It's not a lost cause.